Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix speaker problem in computer. 1. Check the volume level. This is the simplest reason why your computer has no sound, and although it seems like an obvious step, it's good to check anyway before moving on to the other suggestions below. 2. Turn up the volume as high as possible on your speakers or headphones, and also check that Windows 11 doesn't have the sound muted. Down by the clock, select the sound icon and ensure that the volume level is set to high. 3. Also, right-click the sound icon and select sound settings to ensure the specific output device you're using isn't muted. 4. Double-check that the speakers or headphones are turned on and properly connected to the computer. The sound might work just fine, and your computer volume at max level, but you won't know it if the speakers are simply off or disconnected. Run the built-in audio troubleshooter to find and fix problems that could be causing the issue. There are 2 ways to access it. Right-click the taskbar sound icon and choose Troubleshoot Sound Problems. From Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and select Run next to Playing Audio. You have learned how to fix speaker problem in computer. Thank you for watching our guide.